Sanbonani, greetings. How are you guys doing? I'm fine, I'm well, thanks guys. Okay, guys, in the previous video we dealt with the chapter 10 of the basic conditions of employment, but part A. So today we're going to be dealing, in this video, we're going to be dealing with part B and part C of chapter 10 of the basic conditions of employment. But before we get to it, guys, I just want to thank you guys for continuing to view the channel, for continuing subscribing to the channel. Please do subscribe. Those who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. At the bottom of this video, there's a subscribe option. Please click on it. So each time I release a video, then you get notified and you're able to engage and able to spread the message and the information. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, guys, let's get to the chapter 10 of the basic conditions of employment. Part B, legal proceedings. Consolidation of proceedings. A dispute concerning or contravention of this act may be instituted jointly